What's up everybody? So I am back with another video and this is a get ready with me, and I'm just doing my makeup to go out. Well, the previous video was from the vlog, so this is the purpose of the get ready with me. So I'm just doing my eye. Before you saw me, I did my primer and I did my eyebrows off camera because we know that go already, it takes a lot of time. So I'm just using my Morphe 35 palette. It's very old, and I'm just doing a neutral eyeshadow today, and I'm coating my mascara with coating my lashes, sorry, with my mascara. And now I'm applying my Fenty Beauty foundation, but don't mind me guys because I applied a lot of foundation because I was trying to get this out of the way quick and fast. So I'm just buffing it up, but you know, normally we would just apply foundation little by little and then build it up, but I did it the other way around this time. So I applied my concealer and I'm blending that out, then setting the concealer with my Sacha Buttercup powder. Now moving on to lashes, I'm taking my lashes, and yes guys, I do sell lashes, so if you want 3D mink lashes or the 5D mink lashes, please send me a message and I can get these delivered to you, locally only though. And I'm just applying some more mascara to the lashes to blend the lashes together because we don't want anything to look like a, you know, a separation. So we want the natural lash, our natural lash and the false lash to just merge together. So I'm just contouring, and I saw Makeup by Mario did this contour routine on one of his videos. So normally we would like make a fish face when we're doing contour, but in the video I saw he actually told the model to smile and then he brushed the contour upward to the ear. So that's what I'm mimicking today, so I can get that defined look. And then I'm just gonna go around my hairline and my temples, not doing a lot because contour is really for, you know, a more glam look, but I should have used bronzer, but however we're moving along, and I'm just doing my nose, contouring my nose to get it a bit slimmer. Then I'm highlighting my inner corners. And then I'm applying this orange liner to my eyelids, and yeah, I really wanted to do this. I wasn't sure how it was gonna turn out, but I really wanted to give this a try, and I like how it came out. So I'm just doing a little wing, nothing too dramatic, but it's really cute guys. So if you have any of these gel liquid liners, colored ones, you can give them a try, and you can also use like 2 different colors and, you know, do an ombre look. It's really cute, and I mean, it's orange was in for the summer, so I'm really loving this. It wasn't perfect because, you know, I'm not a professional at doing this. I hardly do makeup anymore, but I liked how it came out, and I had to use a mixing medium to mix this orange thing because after a while I tend to get cracky and dried up. So I'm just going to the end of the tail of the wing. Now for the favorite part of makeup application is highlighter, of course, and I'm gonna take all 3 highlighter shades and just blend those together. And don't mind my messy lip black guys, I mean, I had a hairpin in there somewhere at the back, but I don't know where the hairpin went, so that's why it's looking like that. But don't worry, the look will all come together at the end. And I'm just doing the highlight on the other side of my cheek. Next up, we're gonna take our blush, and I don't like a lot of blush, so I'm just keeping it at a minimal. So I don't want people to look at me and say I look crazy, so I don't use a lot of blush. Just something for a pop of color, but not too much. So I'm just applying that in between the highlighter and the contour. Then I'm going to reverse contour to get that defined, chiseled, you know, the look of something there. So that's what I'm doing right there. And then I'm gonna blend up my eyebrows. So just blend out the eyebrow pencil and brush that together so it can look neat. Yeah. Then we're gonna remove the setting powder from the reverse contour with our foundation brush. And the reason why I did this is because the foundation brush already has foundation in it, so it will blend out the powder, so you don't see this line and the powder on the skin from afar. So next we're taking our Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. I don't remember the shade, but I will definitely put it in the description bar because every girl loves a lip gloss, right? So it's perfect. And then I'm gonna take my Fenty setting spray and I'm gonna spray my face with this. God knows this stressed me out, but we're moving on to the midnight final seal, and none of them never make one. So there are two good quality products, but the issue was that the spray thing wasn't working. It wasn't working out that day at all. So moving on to here, and then I'm just pulling out the plaits, and then we're gonna brush the hair out so you guys can just sit back and watch. I'm not a hair guru, I know nothing about hair, but this is just what I do for my own liking. The hair is a 14-inch deep wave wig, lace front wig, 13 by 4, and I got this from AliExpress. I can also put the link in the description bar for you guys if you want something like this. And it's just easy to manipulate, so you just wet it and comb it or brush it, and that's it, you're good to go. So it's low maintenance, just take care of it and don't let it get too dry and brittle. Yeah, and it doesn't shed or anything like, well, it does shed, but not too extreme. It's manageable.
These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make us wait. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make us wait. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make us wait. Let's treasure buried deep inside right now. Make us wait. So go and see what you can find right now. Don't you know you're not just some other girl? There's no.
So this is all how it came together, guys, and I really liked it. So subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the video title on the right. Share this video, give that thumbs up, and tell me anything you wanna, anything you wanna share in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to watch my other videos.